stones, like this one. Do this, and your ship will come in. Don't, and the papers will run you out of town. Capiche?
He's really got your number, Nox.
Not like we made much effort to keep it secret.
Even if we had, the press always finds a way. We needn't befriend him, but we'd best not make him our enemy. Shall we shop a bit?
After the wedding, I bet Lady Lunafreya will be a local Lucian.
Imagine if she actually visited us here.
So, they'll be holding the wedding ceremony in Altissia?
Yeah, makes you want to hop the next boat and check it out for yourself.
It ain't rocket science. Just give me the stones. I'll make sure you got a boat to ride, all right? So what's the scoop on this little road trip anyway? Some kind of secret bachelor gig?
After the wedding, I bet Lady Lunafreya will be a local Lucian.
Well, well.
Or is it getting harder to see?
Perhaps.
Doesn't get any better than this.
I suppose not.
Right behind you.
Get back! Time to show you what I can do!
If I only had a guild for every time this went bad.
Let's be done with this.
Careful! Don't let him get me!
Indeed.
That's all she wrote.
Found it.
Are you kidding me?
That's the big bird we saw in our hunt.
And yet it is. The zoo is an enormous bird indigenous to the Clane region.
I got this. You just sit back and watch how it's done. Well, that, by all means.
Your time has come.
Can't handle it!
I'm not sure whether it's a storm front or just the terrain.
Worry about your stuff blowing away.
You're completely useless.
The thrill of victory.
No mercy!
Gonna take a while.
What? You worried?
You wish. Wow. You know, this view might be worth the climb.
Wouldn't go that far.
We're supposed to get near that thing?
Pipe down before you wake it up.
Together on my signal. Until then, hold position.
Makes me want to take a nap.
Quietly now.
Easy does it.
Off it goes.
Oh, we made it out alive.
Barely! I seriously thought we were at Journey's End.
But that feat was fit for a king.
Indeed.
I'm for giving you such a hard time. I just had to get my hands on this, even if it meant blackmail. You understand, don't you? You see, I'm a reporter by day and an amateur jeweler by night. This elusive little beauty's gonna become a masterpiece. To make it up to you, I'll share a little scoop. That special coin you got? It commemorates the Oracle's ascension. That guy was tossing them out to everyone. Must have picked them up back in Niflheim. As promised, I'm in the process of securing your ferry tickets right now. Told should be smooth sailing from here. So let me know when you're ready to ship out.